Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-performance, user-friendly 3D printing machine designed for rapid and precise printing. It features 500 mm per second high-speed printing, making it one of the faster printers in its class, ideal for both hobbyists and professionals who need quick results without compromising quality. The printer is equipped with an all-metal hot end, which supports up to 300 degrees Celsius printing, allowing it to handle a wide range of filament types, including high-temperature materials like ABS, PTG, and TPU. The M5C 7x7 auto-leveling system ensures precise bed calibration, minimizing the need for manual adjustments and offering a more consistent printing experience. The 220 by 220 by 250 mm print volume provides ample space for most standard 3D printing projects, allowing for versatile use, whether for small prototypes or medium-sized objects. The printer is compatible with multi-device control, enabling users to monitor and control the printer remotely via smartphone, tablet, or PC. This feature makes it especially convenient for users who want to manage their printing process on the go, keeping track of progress or making adjustments as needed. The intuitive control interface enhances the overall ease of use, making it beginner-friendly while still offering the flexibility experienced users expect. Overall, the AnkerMake M5C combines speed, versatility, and ease of use in a compact package, making it an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their 3D printing setup with a reliable and efficient machine. Number 2. The original Prusa Malawian Kwacha's 3D printer kit is a high-quality, customizable DIY 3D printer designed to offer both beginners and advanced users a fun and educational assembly experience. This beginner-friendly kit is designed for ease of setup and comes with clear instructions, making it a great option for those new to 3D printing or anyone interested in building their own printer from the ground up. The removable print sheets are a standout feature, allowing for easy removal of prints without damaging the finished objects or the print bed. This makes the printing process smoother and more convenient, especially for those working on multiple projects. The automatic calibration feature ensures the printer is accurately leveled for each print, reducing the chances of failed prints and saving time during setup. With a print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, the Malawian Kwachas offers ample room for printing a wide range of objects, from smaller models to more substantial prototypes. The printer is compatible with a variety of filaments, offering versatility for different materials such as PLA, PTG, and ABS. This DIY kit is fun to assemble, allowing users to learn about the inner workings of the printer and gain valuable experience with the assembly process. The kit includes a filament sample, so users can start printing right away after setup. Overall, the Prusa Malawian Kwachas combines a high-performance build with user-friendly features and a rewarding assembly process, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, customizable 3D printer that offers both educational value and impressive results. Number 3. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit, MP07825EU, is designed for users seeking a reliable and easy-to-use 3D printing solution for home, school, or small business use. Featuring swappable Smart Extruder Plus, it enables fast and efficient PLA material printing, making it a great option for creating prototypes, models, or educational projects with minimal downtime. The Smart Extruder Plus automatically detects and adapts to filament conditions, ensuring consistent print quality and reducing the risk of clogs or print failures. The printer is equipped with a factory-leveled flex build plate, which eliminates the need for manual bed leveling and ensures the first layer of each print adheres properly. This flexible build plate can easily be removed and bent to release prints without damaging them, offering convenience and reducing frustration during print removal. With a print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, the Replicator Plus offers a spacious build area that accommodates a wide range of projects, from small-scale models to medium-sized prototypes. The printer supports PLA filament, which is known for its ease of use and suitability for a variety of applications, making it ideal for both beginners and more experienced users. In addition to its user-friendly design, the MakerBot Replicator Plus features seamless integration with MakerBot print software, allowing users to control and monitor their print jobs easily. The printer is also equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity for wireless printing, enabling convenient remote control and monitoring from a computer or mobile device. Overall, the MakerBot Replicator Plus offers a solid, user-friendly experience with a focus on convenience, reliability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both educational and personal 3D printing projects. Number 4. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer is a high-performance FDM printer designed to deliver fast, high-quality prints. With a 500 mm per second high-speed printing capability, it's ideal for users who need to produce large volumes of prints quickly without sacrificing detail or accuracy. The printer is equipped with a high-temperature nozzle, which supports a wide variety of filaments, including high-temperature materials like ABS, PTG, and TPU, making it versatile for different applications. One of the standout features of the Neptune 4 Plus is its auto-leveling system, which simplifies the setup process and ensures consistent bed calibration for better print results. This feature is especially helpful for beginners or those who want to minimize the hassle of manual adjustments. The printer also includes a direct drive extruder, which improves the feeding of flexible filaments, reducing issues like stringing or under-extrusion that can sometimes occur with Bowden setups. With a large print volume of 12.59 by 12.59 by 15.15 inches, the Neptune 4 Plus offers plenty of space for larger prints, such as functional parts, prototypes, or models. This spacious build area makes it suitable for both personal projects and small-scale production. The printer is easy to assemble and use, with an intuitive control interface that allows users to easily adjust settings and monitor the printing process. It is also compatible with a wide range of slicing software, giving users the flexibility to tailor their prints to their specific needs. Overall, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus combines high-speed performance, large print capacity, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a versatile and efficient 3D printer for home or small business use. Number 5. The Toybox 3D Printer for Kids, Deluxe Pack Alpha 1, is an easy-to-use, kid-friendly 3D printer designed to introduce young users to the world of 3D printing in a fun and accessible way. This plug-and-play printer requires no additional software or complex setup, making it ideal for children and beginners. Simply load the pre-selected filament rolls, and the printer is ready to create toys, models, and other creative projects. Included in the deluxe pack are 8 pre-selected printer food rolls, which are specially designed, kid-safe filaments that ensure a smooth and enjoyable printing experience. The removable bed allows for easy removal of prints, reducing the risk of damaging the finished products. This feature also simplifies the cleaning process and helps maintain the longevity of the printer. One of the standout features of the Toybox 3D printer is its access to the 500-plus toy digital catalog, which provides a wide range of downloadable models, from action figures to educational tools. This extensive library encourages creativity and gives kids a vast selection of designs to print right out of the box. The catalog is free and updated regularly, ensuring new content is available for ongoing creative projects. The Toybox 3D printer is designed with safety and ease of use in mind, featuring a child-friendly interface and simple controls. It's perfect for sparking creativity and teaching kids about technology, design, and the basics of 3D printing, all while providing hours of fun. Overall, the Toybox 3D printer for kids offers a hassle-free, interactive, and engaging 3D printing experience, making it an excellent tool for kids to explore and develop their imagination and problem-solving skills.